How to use DM me sticker on Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to use DM me filter on Instagram. DM me sticker on Instagram. So guys, what you need to do is you have to just go to your Google Play Store, and then you have to first update your Instagram. So after updating your Instagram, what you need to do here is pretty simple. You just need to go to Instagram here, and then you can see here on the top right of your screen there will be a camera option. So just click on this camera option, and then let me just show you what you need to do. You have to just click a picture here, and then after clicking a picture, what you have to do, you have to click on this option. You can see here sticker option, and then you will find an option DM me sticker if you have updated your Instagram. So let me just click on DM me, and then if you want to type anything, mm, say me your hobbies. Okay, now if you want to change the color of the sticker, then you can press here on the top middle of your screen. You can see here. So let me just click this, and then let me just do like this, and then if you understand this, just click on send option, and then share, and then done. So guys, after doing this, what you have to do, your follower can directly DM you through your story. So you can see if I tap here, then they will be able to show you, message you, or DM you directly on Instagram. This is the latest features that's latest sticker features that has been updated by Instagram. So guys, I hope you like the video, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. And in next video I'm gonna show you, if you don't find this option, I will be showing you the full tutorial how to get this DM me filter, DM me sticker.